I'm back, everyone. I didn't do this guy proper justice in the TjMaxx haul video, which will be in the description box below in case you would like to go see that video. When I went through it, I just popped this part out and I was getting ready for bed. I was putting things away and I unzipped it and note I seen something else and I'm like, what the heck, roll? And I was like, you know what, you need to go back and give this a little bit of spotlight because it's a unique item. First and foremost, this is a collaboration kit. It's Travel On and Rowenta and Laundress, New York. And I have been wanting for a long time, and y'all know I buy certain things right away. Don't take a lot of thought, and then other things I just stare at it. So anyone's been a follower of my channel, you have learned that that is a behavior of mine. And Laundress has this denim thing. Anyways, I'm looking at the tag and it says Travel in Style, Rowenta, the Laundress, New York, and Travel On. So I'm like, oh, we have more items than what I showed in the video. Well, one of the items is a stain solution. It's 2 ounces of product. Safely removes stubborn stains, old and new, with just 1 drop of this powerful solution. Color safe and safe for all washable fabrics, which is this guy. And it gives you more detailed information on the back of the product. And it's unscented, removes old and new stains. The next item in this bag is a Fabric Fresh Classic 2-ounce spray. Freshen up with this non-toxic formula with antibacterial properties and add scent while removing odor. So this is something that would be in the bag as well. And it says it works great on clothes, on drawers too, bedding. It's a fabric enhancer spray. And you would use it 6 inches away. You know, you'd spray 6 inches away. Made with non-toxic, biodegradable, and allergen-free materials. Color and texture may vary, free of phthalates and dyes, and it's cruelty-free, no animal byproducts, and etc. So that was in the bag. Now we're going to get some real explanation about this, just in case I was not right in the TjMaxx video. But this is a are you going to tell me? Can I find it? But I thought this was a pad. I thought that you would put this down. And yes, it is. I am correct. This is a foldable ironing pad. It's 32 by 17 inches. And it's a perfect alternative for ironing boards on the go. And then the other item in here is the actual steaming unit by Rowenta. So my apologies. I was just, trying to power through the video and show each item so it, wouldn't be so lengthy. And I really did miss those other products, you guys. So I wanted to come back and do a shorter video, but dedicated to this actual kit. It says it retails for $30. I paid $19.99 again from TjMaxx. And it also has a dual voltage. See, points like this I missed. So it does adhere to a 120 volt and a 240 volt. There's also a storage bag that's included. That's going to be inside of the box of the iron. Dry or steam ironing. Micro steam 200 stainless steel sole plate. Burst of steam. Vertical steam. Large water tank. High precision tip, and a folding handle. So, and it comes in its own carrying case. Thanks for watching. If I can find this, you guys, online, again, it probably won't be what I paid for it, but I will at least put it in the link to it in the description box below if I'm able to find it somewhere, just in case someone don't mind paying the $30. This is something that they could really use. They're a frequent traveler for business or luxury or whatever, and they would like to have something like this. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see it in use, I can do a video like that. But again, I'm heading to bed, and I noticed that I did not mention these other points about the product. Thanks for watching. Be kind enough and give me a thumbs up. And if you like these type of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Peace.